Now, Action 10's Cole Vaughn with your Doppler 10 weather forecast.
Welcome back, everybody. If you're headed out for the evening, you may encounter a couple of peaks of sunshine before the sun sets. Other than that, we're still going to be dealing with the clouds for at least a good part of the evening, and then we start to see that clearing overnight tonight, and I know a lot of folks are ready for that. We're currently sitting at 71 degrees in Corpus Christi. We've got a south wind at about 10 miles per hour, so that wind coming in off the Gulf means it's quite humid out there. Humidity at 87% right now. As we go into tomorrow, we're going to see some drastic changes take place. As we showed you earlier in the newscast, we've got a cold front that's going to be coming through about 3 or 4 o'clock tomorrow morning, and that means by the time we hit 7 o'clock, most of those clouds are gone. Temperature down to around 58 degrees. Generally, when the sun comes up, we start to see the temperature rising, but notice what happens as we get closer to lunchtime. We're still at 58 degrees because the temperature is going to fall through about 10 o'clock and then start to take its rise. We're going to be up to around 63 by tomorrow afternoon. Look at the sunshine all day long, but the windy conditions as well. Those winds are going to be blowing at about 25 miles per hour. Now, the cold front is currently sitting off to our north. You can see it's got a little bit cooler air behind it. Some of that is still stuck up there into the Rocky Mountains right now, but this is all going to come down and really change our temperatures significantly by the time we hit tomorrow. So Future Tracker shows this cold front moving south. You can actually see that it swings through the coastal bend by tomorrow morning. Look at what's going on up there in the Dallas area. Potentially a little bit of snowfall, but here in the coastal bend, it's just going to drop our temperatures by a good 10 or 15 degrees. We're going to be in the 60s for tomorrow, and then as we head into Sunday, high pressure's going to move over the state of Texas. So that means as we get into Sunday morning, things are going to be a little calmer. That temperature is going to fall a little more down into the mid to upper 30s. Then we warm up to the 60s again on Sunday afternoon, but then by Monday, we're actually going to watch the winds start to come in off the Gulf again, which is going to increase the moisture. It's not going to feel humid by Monday, but as we head into Tuesday, that's next on our list. So we've got a lunar eclipse that is taking place on Sunday night. We've got a pretty good forecast for it here in the coastal bend. I think we're going to have clear skies and excellent viewing, but let's show you exactly why this is happening. First off, it involves the sun, the earth, and the moon. So generally what's happening is we've got the sun, it's shining light here on the earth. That's why we have sunlight here, and that's the daytime here on earth. But what happens is on the back side of the earth, it's being hidden from the sun. It's like when you step outside, back behind you, there's a dark spot. It's your shadow. So the shadow is being cast behind the earth here. And that means when the moon moves just behind the earth, and this only occurs very occasionally, it's actually going to fall under that shadow. So the moon is going to be dark in our sky, but when that sunlight gets bent around the earth, it actually takes a little bit of a red or orange hue to it. So that means when it gets projected on the moon during a lunar eclipse, it turns a very deep orange. So that's what we're going to be looking at for the moon. It's going to be at its maximum at about 11:12. So 11:15, I would head outside and take a look. That's when it should be at its deepest orange, deepest red, and in its darkest form. Those temperatures, though, notice they're going to be in the 50s and in the upper 40s. By 11:15, 46 degrees, and it's going to be feeling like about 43. So definitely make sure you have the jacket and the coat if you're headed out to check this out. It goes from about 8:30 to 1:45 in the morning, so you've got plenty of time to at least get outside and get a glimpse if you can't catch it at 11:15. So here's your 7-day forecast. We've got sunny skies in the forecast all the way through Sunday. As we head into the MLK Day festivities, we're still looking at the sunshine, but we are going to see a warm-up as well. We go from 61 on Sunday up to around 71 by the time we hit Monday. And then for Tuesday, we increase those southerly winds again. It's going to start to warm us up and make things more humid, so we're around 75 degrees. Cold front moves through between Tuesday and Wednesday, creates another windy day, but the wind's coming from the north, so it's going to be a cold wind. We're down to 54 and the chance of rain, so next Wednesday's looking a little chilly. For Thursday and Friday, we see the sunshine yet again. Temperatures warm, at least moderately, up there into the low 60s. Drew?